Today I'm unboxing a limited edition Seiko 5. This one in collaboration with the Supercars brand. If you live in Australia, you would know that we love our V8 supercars, and now you can wear the spirit of these supercars on your wrist. The model number of this one is SRPH53K. It is based off their Seiko 5 model with the 4R36 movement. With this movement, you're getting 41 hours of power reserve, 100 meters of water resistance, and strong LumiBrite on the hours and hands. The feature that really stands out for me is the black ion plating covering the entire case and bracelet. It really catches the light well and makes for a great look. There is an exhibition case back on this one, so you can take a peek at the movement. And overall, this is a nice little watch. You cannot go wrong with Seiko. Remember, this one is a limited edition. Only 2,021 pieces exist. So once these are sold out, they're gone. If you like the look of this watch, head on over to watchdepot.com.au or click the link in the description.